Guys, this is a quick update. Call it SASCO, ScanScore network, something like that. So this is how I got $20 to $25 in Tweet that I just listed in 1 month ago, something like that, or 2 months ago. So just simple task. Once you click on the link, all right, you just have to perform a little task. Once you click on the link, this is your task you're supposed to perform here. You follow them on their Twitter. Also, you retweet a post. Then we tag at least 3 friends in the comment sections. Alright, then you submit your wallet address, then Twitter comment link in the form below. So you must submit that comment that you made on this their Twitter post. First of all, you follow them, then view post, you retweet, then comment, then you paste your Evian wallet. Your Evian wallet is your wallet address for MetaMask Trust Wallet, not for exchange. Okay, then the link of your comments here, then you click on registration. That's all.